Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Nature. Today we have a healing topic to explore, the golden facts about the combination of calendula and your body. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss our health-related insights. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine because of its numerous health benefits. Firstly, calendula is great for skin health. It helps in healing wounds by reducing inflammation and fighting off microbes that can cause infections. That's why you often find it in ointments for cuts, burns, and bruises. It's also good for keeping your skin hydrated and can even help with conditions like acne and eczema by soothing irritation and promoting healing. Calendula also has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis and muscle sprains. Its ability to fight off bacteria, fungi, and viruses also makes it useful in treating minor infections and preventing them from getting worse. If you have digestive issues, calendula can be beneficial too. It's known to soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines, making it helpful in treating ulcers and aiding digestion. Drinking calendula tea can also relieve symptoms like indigestion and stomach cramps. For your immune system, calendula's antioxidants help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. This support can boost your overall immune health and protect against illnesses. Women may find calendula helpful for menstrual issues due to its ability to regulate cycles and ease menstrual cramps. Calendula can be used in various ways. You can apply it as a cream or ointment for skin issues, drink it as a tea for digestive health, or use it in extracts for internal benefits. Just remember, while calendula is generally safe, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider before using it, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have allergies to plants like daisies, as calendula belongs to the same family. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about health benefits, make sure to watch our other videos. And if you have any questions, please place a comment below or contact us through the email in the description. We will reach out to you. We wish you a lovely, healthy day.